Sound guys, so we're over in Rugby today. We're going to be putting trickle vents on that one there, 2 in the back bedrooms. There's going to be 1 in that side kitchen. Just grab them. You can see I'm all set up, and it's going to be that window there, 1 in the French doors, and then 1 round the side. So there's, what's that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in total today. And as always, we're set up nice and tidy. So as always guys, they're the holes we're looking for, nice and smooth. That's how we want them to work guys, nice and smooth, no resistance. So she's in. I always take the glass out because it just makes it a little bit easier to handle when you're on your own. There you go, they look bonny. And that's how we want them to look guys. Want them to open and close as they should have done. Always check beforehand. That's in the closed position and that's in the open position. And there we have them guys. Looking spot on, even if I do say so myself. That's how they should open. Don't ever have them closed, always have them open. If you have them closed like that, they're not trickle vents. That's how we do it. Beautiful. What last one to go in, this one's on steel. So it's reinforced along the centre with a steel bar. So you can't bout them, you've got to drill them. And then smooth the top of the drill holes off. But it worked perfect. It's just a different way of doing it. Sound guys, so we've got this one done. So we've done that one there, we've done 1 on that side there. And then there was 1 round the side. Let's have a look. There's 1 round the side, and then there's a few at the front. Let's close, make sure I've not left any. We give it a good tidy up like we always do. Just got to get him to lock the gates. And then there's a few round the front. Grab them all I can. Let's have that. Them ones at the front there. Looking nice and bonny.